Hello everyone, welcome back to Competition. So today we are diving into a competition that's not just about winning, it's about shaping the future of technology. So meet AtomQuest 2024 by Atomberg Technologies. So your gateway to innovation, problem solving and creating the groundbreaking Mech-Electronic solutions. So we are going to discuss all the details about this competition. So what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this and what you will get, all the things are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel, so where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's talk about what is AtomQuest 2024 is all about. So the competition is a platform for the India's brightest minds to work on a real world make electronic challenges. The AtomQuest isn't just about ideas, it's about turning them into a reality with a mentorship from the Atomberg's R&D experts. So the best part of it is this is your chance to collaborate with an industry leaders that revolutionizing the sustainable and advanced tech solutions. Now let's talk about who can participate in this competition. And it is open to the undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD engineering students from any college across India. You can register as an individual or in a team of up to 4 members in this competition. So the cross discipline and the cross college teams are encouraged and the diverse expertise in the field like electronics, mechanical, computer science and electrical will give you an edge in this competition. Now, participants must be Indian citizen above 16 years and currently residing in the India. So, remember, one person can only be a part of a one team. Now, coming to the competition structure, the round one starts with submitting a 1 to 2 pages of abstract explaining your proposed solution, where the deadline for this round is 5th December. So, keep it concise but impactful also. Now, coming to the round two, proposal and prototyping the plan submission. So next, the shortlisted teams will prepare a detailed project report and a video prototype. This will demonstrate the functionality and feasibility of your solution. The deadline will be announced after round 1. Now, coming to the round 3, it is a semi-final prototyping presentation. Here where the things get excited. Selecting teams will work on a functional prototype or a detailed simulation. Here you will present this an Atomberg jury panel during the Shastra. So IIT Madras Fest from the 3rd to 7th January. The mentorship program, that is a shortlisted teams will receive a dedicated mentorship from the Atomberg's experts. So use this opportunity to refine your solutions and also tackle any challenges now. Coming to the round 4, that is a grand finale. The final showdown will be an in-person event at the Atomberg Innovation Center. The finalists will present their fully developed solutions to Atomberg's leadership and the industry experts. So you will have a 10 minutes of pitch, so followed by the 10 minutes of Q&A section. Now let's talk about what it's in for you. The winner will get a 1 lakh cash prize and the first runner will get a 60,000 and the second runner will get a 40,000, the placement or internship opportunities with the Atomberg also. Now the certificate of excellence for the finalist and as well as participation certificates for all the teams that make it in the round 2. Now why you need to participate in this? Here is why you need to join the AtomQuest 2024. So where you will solve the real world problem challenges in the Mech-Electronics, you will work closely with the industry experts and also mentors. And you will gain hands-on experience in the developing the cutting-edge technologies and open to door the career opportunities with Atomberg also. Where a leader in a sustainable tech innovation it is. A compete at a prestigious platform like Shastra, IIT Madras Fest. Right. There are some important dates to remember. So mark these key dates. Abstract submission deadline is of 5th December. Stay tuned for the updates on the other rounds and as well as deadlines. So, are you ready to transform your ideas into impactful solutions? Don't wait. The link is in the description box. So when you click on that link, you will get redirected to this page, and you can simply press on register now button, and you can simply register for this competition. That's all about today's video. If you found this video helpful, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you will never miss any update. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity. Good luck with your competition.